Today, I am reviewing the Tineco iFLOOR 5 Breeze. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hey everyone! Today, we are taking a close look at a machine designed to solve one of the most frustrating, time-consuming household chores, cleaning hard floors. We are diving into a comprehensive review of the Tineco iFLOOR 5 Breeze Complete Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum and Floor Washer. If you are still sweeping your floors with a broom and then dragging around a heavy, dirty mop bucket, you will want to listen closely. This lightweight machine promises to cut your cleaning time completely in half. Let us see if it lives up to the promise. The headline feature of the Tineco iFLOOR 5 Breeze Complete is its ability to vacuum and mop your floors in one single step. Think about your normal routine. Usually, you have to sweep up the dust, hair, and dry debris before you can even think about mopping up wet spills or sticky messes. This machine eliminates that double workload entirely. It easily tackles dry dust, pet hair, spilled milk, and stubborn, sticky kitchen messes all at the exact same time. It is perfectly engineered for all sealed hard floors, including hardwood, tile, marble, and laminate. One of the biggest flaws of traditional mopping is that you quickly end up pushing dirty water all over your home. Tineco solves this beautifully with a smart dual-tank system. It keeps the clean water and cleaning solution completely separate from the dirty water and debris it picks up. You are strictly cleaning your home with fresh water 100% of the time. Even better, this upgraded model features water tanks that are 30% larger than the previous iFLOOR 3 series. This means you can clean much larger rooms and open floor plans without having to constantly stop, refill the clean tank, and empty the dirty one. As you clean, Tineco utilizes an innovative flat scraper built inside the brush head. This mechanism constantly clears away debris and squeezes out the dirty water from the roller as it spins. This ensures that the brush roller itself stays clean while you move from room to room. The result is a streak-free finish that leaves your floors completely dry in just a matter of seconds, preventing those annoying puddle marks or slippery spots. Acer and Tineco also paid close attention to corners with their enhanced edge cleaning design. The exclusive brush head is engineered to get right up against baseboards and tight angles, cleaning areas as narrow as 0.2 inches. You won't have to go back over your corners by hand. When you are finally done washing your floors, the last thing you want to do is wash the vacuum cleaner itself. This is where the hands-free self-cleaning system comes in. You simply place the unit onto its storage dock and press a single button. The machine automatically flushes clean water through the tubing and spins the roller, cleaning itself from top to bottom, so you do not have to get your hands dirty. Once the wash cycle is done, it uses centrifugal drying to spin out the excess moisture, keeping the roller fresh, odor-free, and ready for your next cleaning session. To keep things running smoothly, just remember to give the filter a quick manual rinse once a month. To wrap it all up, the Tineco iFLOOR 5 Breeze Complete is a game-changer for hard floor maintenance. By combining a vacuum and a mop into a lightweight, cordless design, it turns a dreadful chore into a quick and easy task. With its larger dual tanks, streak-free drying, and incredible self-cleaning system, it delivers premium convenience at a fantastic value. If you want to reclaim your free time and keep your floors looking spotless, this floor washer is a phenomenal investment for your home.